a quick lesson from our personal development course. Stay with me for the next few moments because I've got something really powerful to share with you. Our mini course is now equivalent to approximately 30 Word document pages. And we've got some powerful, life-changing lessons in our course. So stay with me for this powerful message you don't want to miss. Euripides says that there is but one life for each of us, our own. How long has it been since you really thought about the direction of your life? You know, that's one of those powerful questions that was asked of me some years ago. And I still visit that question today. How long has it been since you really thought about the direction of your life? You see, if your current life's direction is not in tune with the deepest desires of your heart, listen to me. You have to admit that you are going in the wrong direction. Jim Rohn says, the late great Jim Rohn says, it is the setting of the sails, not the direction of the wind, that determines which way we will go. Take some time to explore what the deepest desires of your heart are. Then you can carefully and intently begin to move your life toward those deepest desires. Our deepest desires have the force within them to direct us into which direction to go in life. That's why it is vital that we explore the deepest desires within our hearts. What positive desire stirs your heart? Let me ask you that again. What positive desire stirs your heart, man? What motivates you? What excites you about life? What vision, what dream that's in your heart that propels you to move forward in a dynamic way? You see, it is there where you will find the power of profound purpose. And it is vital for each and every one of us that we discover what our purpose is and that we walk in that purpose. Lao Tzu says that if you do not change your direction, you may end up where you're heading. The question is, are you ready to positively change your life? You see, your life does not get better by chance. It gets better by change. Another great thought by the late great Jim Rohn. I hope you enjoyed that quick lesson from our personal development course. That course is very powerful, has a lot of life-changing information, life lessons, okay? And it's growing. by leaps and bounds. That course is now 30 pages, equivalent to 30 pages, Word document pages. And I'm excited about the things that we have to offer people through that powerful course and through the business opportunity that's connected to it. Make sure that you check things out on the website and see whether or not you're interested in a business opportunity in the personal development field. Okay? So I'm Terry Brown, wishing you a blessed and powerful and awesome day today. Bye-bye now.